Hi everyone, this is a single dashboard file inside EasyAi Bridge. Inside this one file, we've already created 3 dashboards from 3 different spreadsheets: marketing, sales, and operations. Now let me show you how EasyAi Bridge brings all of them together into one unified decision-ready view. So go to your dashboard, don't forget to connect your Google Sheets, and don't forget to select the sheets that you want. I will quickly do that and be right back. So I have chosen my sheets and I will move on to Smart Ask. And now I will ask a prompt for 3 different Google Sheets. I will make 3 different dashboards and then we will combine them. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is my first prompt. I'll ask and let's see the results. Okay, so we have our first dashboard here. Let's make 2 more. Okay, this is my second prompt. Let's go ahead, make a new dashboard. This is my second dashboard. Now let's do the third one. Okay, let's do the third prompt and see our third dashboard. Don't forget, you can have as many dashboards as you like and you can ask as many prompts as you like. Okay, this is the last dashboard. So now here's where EasyAi Bridge becomes incredibly powerful. So do you see this combine button? You can easily merge multiple results into one dashboard. Choose the dashboards you want to combine. Let me choose mine. Okay, I have chosen my 3 dashboards. You can choose as many as you like, your choice, and just export them. And it's downloaded immediately. Feel free to open your download and check the dashboard. So here it is. You can see all of them, as many as you like, all the prompts, all the dashboards you created in one space. So no need to go back and forth, everything is here. And as always, please don't forget to get your free trial for such an easy and amazing platform.